Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and today I have something very special. This is first time in my life I decided to get back and unbox this thing. Let's just get started. So for a long time I wanted to have any vintage console. It's not actually that vintage. It's from 2001, or maybe I should say from 2002. Because it first came out in 2001, but this exact version came out in 2002. So let's see. I think we need more of that knife. Long time no see, by the way. It was the release of the iPhone 17, which was very, very good. But this time I decided to pass on all the releases. United Kingdom. Okay. Let's see what's in this bag. First of all, we have one bag here. Second of all, we have a charger. The charger is travel charger made in China. I guess it'll do. There was some protective film, and that's it. Ooh. No spiders, no nothing. Not this time, I guess. And we have our console. But this is quite actually well. Okay, so first of all, nothing here. Put it to the side, put that to the side. It's actually, the condition is actually good. I thought the condition is going to be way worse because, you know, when these sellers say good, what does that mean? You know, good could be, understand, you know, different people could understand differently. This has scratches, of course, normal scratches. It's so tiny. They put a sticker price on top of the console. Why? Why? So I paid 140 for this. There was one option that I could take. It was 120 for the AGS-001. But then I decided this time I'm not gonna go for the AGS-101. I'm gonna go for the AGS-001 because the battery life is way better. And for example, Japan didn't even have any other version, just AGS-001. Okay, here we have on and off switch. Here we have triggers, which are actually on this little console is quite comfortable. Yeah, that's where the cartridge gets. What do we have here? AGS-001, and this model is, I guess European, because there's French and English. So probably could be, oh yeah, D. Großostheim, Nuremberg. Okay, so probably German edition or something. Let's open it up. Damn, it reminds me of my, you know, childhood. When my father was working in the cruise ship as a bartender, and he returned, and like it was 1993 or 1994, and he returned, and he decided to buy something for me, and he bought me the Game Boy. It was the just original Game Boy, but that was amazing, and I decided just to, you know, go ahead and try the console. Let's try it on. Let's see, maybe battery had any battery left. Yeah, boy, there's some left here. Oh, damn. I saw there was something when you could change the Game Boy logo, but probably not. Okay, so this is without any light, and this is with the front lit light. There's a, you see, not a lot of light, but I think that's going to be very good on the battery life, because as I remember, if I use it without any front lit or backlit screen, even if I want to mod it and change the display to the IPS, it's gonna hold up for 28 hours or something. That's a lot. Okay, so there's battery still there. So let's move it to the side, charger back there, and let's unbox two games that I bought. I actually bought two games that are most relevant for me. So yeah, I like RPGs. I should say I even worshipped when I was little. Sorry, I even worshipped when I was little these games. So first game that I bought is Zelda Mimish Cap. Also a prize. I need to take these prizes. Why did you put the prices on top of it? Oh, GG, Louis. I wonder, does the battery still works? I don't know. We'll see. And the second game that I bought is Pokemon Emerald version. Let's try to get that close so you can see. So the first two games that I bought is the Emerald version and the Zelda. So we'll see. Let's now try to start the Pokemon Emerald game. Let's put the cartridge in and let's start the console. Yeah, so it was unboxing of Game Boy Advance SP, Zelda Mimish Cap, and the Pokemon Emerald version. Maybe you could even see something right there. No, but I can't either. I thought the screens will be better, but yeah. So thank you today for being with me. I'm actually excited to try it out. So meet you in a bit. Bye.